Here is how to add Instagram highlights without your story being seen by everyone. So first, you need to use the story archive feature. Open the Instagram application, tap on the plus icon at the top to create a new story. Select the photo or video that you want to post and tap on your story at the bottom to post it. Once it has been posted, tap on the three dots around the bottom right corner of your screen and here select archive. Once the post has been archived, go ahead and tap on your profile picture icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Select the three lines in the top right. Now select the archive option, which is between saved and your activity. Select the story archive from the top. Select the story that you just posted. And now tap on highlight from the bottom right corner of your screen. Select any existing highlight or create a new one, and the highlight will now appear on your profile. Another thing you can do is you can go to your Instagram profile first. Now tap on the three lines in the top right corner to go to the settings and privacy. Now tap on story and location section, which is between blocked and activity in friends feed. Here you'll get the option of hide story and live from. Go ahead and select it. Now select the people that you want to hide your story from and tap on done and post your story as usual. Once uploaded, tap on more from the bottom of the screen and tap on highlight option to add it to your existing highlight or create a new one. The highlight will be visible on your profile, but the story will be hidden from the people you selected. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.